Good day, everyone. My name is Wendy Zellers, and I volunteer here at Matthaei Botanical Gardens and Nichols Arboretum on the campus of the University of Michigan. I'm standing in front of a very special tree here at Matthaei called the Dawn Redwood. And today I'll tell you several reasons why this is so special. For one thing, this tree is a deciduous conifer. Deciduous means that the tree loses its leaves in winter, and conifer means that the seeds it produces are inside cones. This is unusual because most conifers are evergreen. That means they stay green and with leaves all year round. Deciduous trees drop their leaves as a way to survive harsh, cold, and dark winters when water in the ground is frozen and can't be used by the trees. On the other hand, evergreen conifers in very cold climates have different adaptations. They cover their leaves or needles with a special waxy coating that prevents freezing. Evergreen trees also produce sap, which acts like antifreeze that protects the inside of the tree. So, as a deciduous conifer, the Dawn Redwood is special because it uses a leaf drop as its strategy for surviving harsh and cold climates. Another thing about this tree is that it grows all over the world. Wild stands of Dawn Redwoods are now found only in China. However, it has been cultivated all over the world, on every continent except Antarctica. In the U.S., we can find Dawn Redwoods in nearly every state, from Alaska to Florida and from California to Michigan. When I was a kid growing up in Southern California, I loved going to the Los Angeles Arboretum and looking at the Dawn Redwoods there. They had 5. When I moved here many years ago, I was surprised and very happy to find that the Dawn Redwood grows here too. Although the Dawn Redwood now grows wild only in remote areas in China, it has been planted all over the world in places where there's enough water. In areas, however, with a lot of water, trees must make sure that they don't topple over. The Dawn Redwood does this by stabilizing the trunk with roots that grow down the trunk in order to anchor the tree in place. These are called root buttresses. These extra root buttresses can extend several feet down the tree trunk and secure the tree in damp soil. This is a unique adaptation for trees growing in cold, temperate climates like ours here in Michigan. Deciduous trees drop their leaves as a way to survive harsh, cold, and dark winters when water in the ground is frozen and can't be used by the trees. On the other hand, evergreen conifers in very cold climates have different adaptations. They cover their leaves and needles with waxy coating that prevents freezing. Another thing that makes the Dawn Redwood so interesting is that its ancestors are among the oldest trees ever. All the things that make it unique have helped it survive for 100 million years. That means the Dawn Redwoods were around before there was Tyrannosaurus Rex. We have had fossil evidence of the Dawn Redwood for quite a while, but it was thought that it had become extinct about 20 million years ago. So just imagine you're a botanist and you're hiking through a small mountainous valley in central China, and suddenly you see this most unusual tree, a tree whose leaves, cones, and seeds you have only seen as a fossil. And the tree you were looking at is nearly identical to the fossils you've seen. One scientist remarked that finding a living Dawn Redwood was like finding a living dinosaur. So, have I convinced you of just how special the Dawn Redwood is? I certainly hope so. It is one of my favorite trees, and I hope that you can come by and see it and us at Matthaei Botanical Gardens. Thanks for stopping by today. Cheers, everyone.